Hi, I'm Michael with Irwin Power LLC, and I want to save you $100 and stop you from calling an electrician to do something that you could do yourself. And hey, I am an electrician. I own an electrical contracting business, but I don't want you to waste your money. So here's a standard plug. It's got power to it. You can see these LED lights on. If you have one of these in your house and it's not working, then what you need to do before you call anybody is take a look around, especially if it's in a kitchen or a garage or bathroom or outside, and look for a receptacle that looks like this. Has two buttons on it. One says test, one says reset. Now oftentimes what we'll do is we will give a standard plug like the one you've seen down there power from one that looks like this. So that receptacle with the test button on it and the reset button on it is protecting the standard plug in the event of a ground fault. So I'm going to hit this button that simulates a ground fault. It's a test button on my tester. I just lost power to this plug. All I have to do to restore power to that plug is come over here, hit this reset button, and power will come back on to your other plug. Now you may have 2 or 3 plugs coming off of the same circuit that are all protected by that one reset button. So if you're running into an issue like that, before you call anybody, make sure you look for that reset button on one of your receptacles and hit it, because people are going to charge you $75 to $100 to come out there and hit a button that you could have hit on your own. So if you look through your house and you have no receptacles like that, you like that? Just took this microwave down to troubleshoot it, and that is obviously unacceptable. But if you don't have receptacles like this in your house, in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your garage, outside, and you may not have GFCI protection that you need to keep you safe, and we need to talk, so go to irwinpowerllc.com, hit the contact us tab and send me a message, because it is important that in certain areas you do have that GFCI protection. Kitchens, garages, bathrooms, laundry room, stuff like that. You might have the protection in your panel, and that would be as simple as looking in your panel and seeing a test button on one of your breakers. If you don't have that, then chances are you're not protected. You need to be protected in those areas that have water sources next to them, subject to moisture because they're not climatized, or appliances that are connected to water, stuff like that, dishwasher, disposal, those sort of things. So I'm Michael with Irwin Power LLC. Go to facebook.com/Irwin Power LLC and follow us. I appreciate you. I hope I can save you some money.